Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Hoping you're doing well. I came in without a shirt. I look ridiculous. Um, we're starting off today, Monday, June the 7th. June the 7th, Monday, 2021. Um, we haven't had any rain anymore. Knock on wood. The fields are drying up. We're picking up our watermelon. Uh, we are having a good season. We didn't lose a lot, so we're doing well. Um, anyways, I hear in the news that the Philippines wants to try to open for tourists, but Cebu still has that $10 quarantine. It's like, no way. I only got 15 days vacation and they expect me to be quarantined for 10 days after I've had my vaccination already? But, no, that's not going to work for me. Um, we'll see what happens in the rest of the news later on. I'm in the sauna right now, so this camera's going to get pretty hot. So I'm going to turn it off and enjoy the rest, rest of the half hour that I usually stay here for. And I'll probably join you out there in the swimming pool as soon as I can warm up my bones. So I'll see you in a minute then, in half an hour. As we continue on in the swimming pool area, we get out here and start doing a little bit of swimming, even though the 3 lanes were busy, so I had to just go ahead and stay within the free area, as you can see. And the wind just wasn't helping at all. The wind wasn't helping. Um, Naturally, you all would know that I'm taking this video with the Insta360 1X2. The only reason I failed to use the camera's microphone is because it was too windy. You would have never understood me. It's cooler. Oh man. Um, we tried the camera underwater. It's got a good crystal clear view of it, and as you can see, when I put the camera underwater, it looks a lot better than the GoPro Max. in the swimming pool now, and I'm gonna relax right because there's people using up the lanes to do my exercises, so I'm gonna just relax in the free part, in the free zone, which is right here. But luckily today they didn't have any music in the background, so I'm able to use this video. The other videos I couldn't use because they had music in the background, and I don't want to have another strike. Let's go in the water for a little bit. I know that in a way these are boring videos because I've already taken myself with the Insta360 1x2 underwater video. It's a proven fact that this camera is waterproof. Now it's waterproof up to 15 feet is what I heard. I haven't tried the 15 feet yet, and to tell you the truth, I haven't even tried it in the ocean yet. I haven't had time. I live in Central Texas, so to go to the ocean would be like maybe 9-hour drive to get to the area, the Houston area, the Galveston Island. So I haven't taken this into the ocean yet. Now I'm hoping that the Philippines can fix itself. You know what? It's kind of windy today. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm sure you can. So we stand by the fact of what the YouTube video says, that the laws in Manila are different from the laws in Cebu. And I don't see why, but if COVID-19 was that a different virus in Cebu in comparison to Manila? I mean, what's the difference? I don't know what laws are trying to prove or what, but me as a United States citizen, I work all year long. I work all year long to maintain a status where I can get some vacation time. And naturally, if you see my YouTube videos, as of 2019 and before that, I've always vacationed. Got a beautiful land. The people are real nice. The food, the exotic food that they serve is delicious. The atmosphere makes you feel at home. Basically, at least to me it does. There's different type of flowers that you smell that the United States does not have. It's a different atmosphere, different way of thinking, different way of living, different languages. But I'm only allowed 15 days vacation with my workplace. I wish it was more, but it isn't. I cannot abide by what the Cebu authorities are saying, that tourists are welcome to come in, and the requirements are that we have to do 7-day testing and 10 days quarantine at a certified quarantine hotel, which I heard those hotels cost like 3 times more expensive than what a normal hotel costs. You know, that's ridiculous. I mean, I understand that the economy in the Philippines is suffering, but what, are they going to make money off of just me? I mean, that's really taking advantage of somebody, especially someone that's been to the Philippines and every single year for the past 8 to 10 years. It's not right for the government to treat us. It wasn't, this virus was not caused by us. It wasn't my fault that the virus hit the Philippines. You know, it hit us also. It was caused by China, and yet sometimes the president of the Philippines treats the people of China a lot better than they do American people. We usually donate a lot of goods and things to from the United States to the Philippines. In times of disasters, I even lent my time during the time of Hurricane Yolanda. I was out there helping out, trying to find people that were alive in the area of the Tacloban area. I was one of the helpers. I was one of the people that helped rescue people. Why? Because I had family members. At the time, I had family members that were related to me that were Filipino. So it was my obligation to go out there and help. But either way, 10 days quarantine, I can't do that. They have to fix that. They have to fix that. And the worst thing about it is that I can't take vacations in November or in December. It's got to be in September. And if they don't change that law if they don't eliminate the 10-day quarantine, I'm gonna miss another year of not going to the Philippines, and I'm gonna have to not take another vacation again. Last year I didn't take any vacation because of the same reason. COVID-19 closed the Philippines and pretty much every country in the world. Now I'm hoping that it'll allow us to fly from the United States to the Philippines without going through a 10-day quarantine. I mean, first of all, I'm fully vaccinated already. I've already had the Pfizer vaccine administered to me. I did the first one, and 2 weeks later I did the second one. So I have the vaccine card. I have everything in order to be able to travel anywhere I want without a mask, without having to get sick or get other people sick. But this is not a plea to the Philippine government. I'm just putting out my 2 cents of what's really going on. And for now, I'm going to go ahead and get back inside. It's getting kind of windy. It's it won't be a total loss after all. So as long as it doesn't rain. Anyway, I'm gonna log this out. My fingers are wrinkled. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I look like an old man, like a 97 or 100-year-old old man. Look at that. That's for being inside the water so long. Y'all have a good day, and God bless. God bless everyone around the world, not just the United States. Maintain your social distancing also. And on the weekends and Sunday, make sure you go to the Christian church of your own choice. All right, I'm out of here.